Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Vilas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. Wind advisory in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 35 to 45 miles per hour expected. The areas impacted include portions of central, east central and northeast Wisconsin. Timing, until 9 p.m. this evening. Impacts, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Kewaunee, Manitowoc, Outagamie and Winnebago. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Snow expected. The snow is expected to be heaviest this morning. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches, highest across southeast Brown, southeast Calumet and Manitowoc counties. Locally higher amounts possible in Manitowoc County. North winds will gust to 30 to 40 miles per hour and cause areas of blowing and drifting snow. The snow could mix with rain at times near Lake Michigan. The areas impacted include Calumet, Kewaunee, Manitowoc, Dorr, Winnebago, Brown and Outagamie counties. Timing, until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts, plan on snow-covered or slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility in open rural areas, especially on west to east-oriented roads. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Kewaunee, Manitowoc, Outagamie and Winnebago. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Snow